All right, guys. So today is September 16, 2024. Going over my market levels for ESNQ and VIX. So far, we gapped up. We had a rollover in contracts. We gapped up from the highs at 5,641.50, and we jumped up to the next gap that was above, and we filled that. Um, so right now, price looks like it's dropping. I do have a supply zone that was never tested as we gapped over it. So maybe we'll test that, or maybe we'll test this level over here. This is from the 4 hour. Looks like price doesn't really want to stay up there based off of the 8 hour. I would say the 4 hour. I would say, but we had buying pushing price up there. We do have supply zone above it, and we have that gap filled, which I could probably just take off. It was a different gap fill. I'm not sure why I still have it there like that, but it is what it is. I can probably get rid of it now. We're kind of holding it, but I'm gonna get rid of it. So based off of the 30, we're chopping around that area. It's not really a good area for me anymore. Um, Looking at my levels here, place that we rejected several times. Nice rejection here, so I can get rid of this. So, try to see if we can fill this gap and bounce. If not, this is the area that we bounced off of on Friday. That had a very nice hold and price just bounced right off of it right at the open. You can see right here we touched it, we opened down to it, and then just pushed up, and then we kind of just stayed right up here for the whole time, duration of the session. So these are essentially my levels for ES right now. I don't have anything. I don't have any green candle with red volume. I do have red volume and green and red candle. So none of these are us. Notice these are important to me. Um, this one's probably the most important. It is a green candle, red volume, where price should have dropped after retesting it, which it did, and then but we gapped above it. So we're gonna see how price reacts when it gets to it again. But other than that, I don't have anything of major significance. I could maybe mark this, not that I'm spotting it. Thank God I slowed down a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna mark this right here. This is where buying somewhat came in. We have a red candle with green volume. So let's mark that. Boom. Let's go to the 1 minute. 1 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute. Let's move back a little bit. And let's see if we can find an origin of this trade or something to support this idea. This is from 15 to 1530. So it looks like this right here. Looks like it's been tested already. Boom. Yeah. Boom. Okay. Got that. So yeah, so if we gap fill and we don't bounce, I like to see price bounce off of this. Alright, essentially I am done with ES. Let's go to NQ. Then just change this whole thing to NQ for now. Let's see if NQ has the same idea of a nope. Nothing. Nope. Nope. Not really. Let's look for the gap. I can do it about a week like I did last one. And NQ is looking a little bit more aggressive than ES as far as wanting to bring us back to the gap. Uh, but NQ is weaker than ES as far as where we are from the high of day. NQ is respecting this higher high here, or this higher low here, while ES is way up here. So this is the resistance that NQ potentially has. And then NQ is also looking more bearish right now than ES. Would have been a lot easier to just do that. Alright, so I don't have anything up here. I believe we gapped over this, but now that we're like in and out of it, it doesn't really seem like it's an important level. Okay, let's go down to 8 hours, followed by 4 hour. Very nice. Okay, so let's go to the 30-minute as we were. Let's go back. A lot of selling attempts that never worked out. Alright, let's see what's going on over here. Let's move back a little bit. And as I said it last time, I'm working on keeping oxygen flowing through my body so that way I don't get too restless or tired. I noticed that when my focus is gone, it's because I'm pretty restless and tired, and just fighting it to stay focused. Not really cool. Yeah. Alright, so that area is still working very nicely. I want to bring this down to around here. Alright. Cool. Ooh, that's a lot of volume. That's a lot of volume. Wow. That stands out a lot. What an anomaly. 1400. What an anomaly at 1400. But we kind of cleared it, so I don't know. We're gonna leave it. We cleared the heck out of it. We cleared the top part and cleared the bottom, and then kind of stayed around here the whole time. So maybe my gap can be this. Give it a bit of a body, right? And then Let's see if ES has anything like that. Yep, sticks out. Boom. Held it. Boom. Okay. Let's do the same thing. Oops. There we go. In case we decide to come down here, I'm just gonna mark it like that. Okay. Back to NQ. Okay, so that's essentially my level, my levels. All right, we have VIX coming up next. That yeah, this. All right, so let's make this full screen. I think I'm done. Got buying here, buying there. Sure, why not? Did this gap up also? No, I didn't. Okay. What we're looking for is consistency. Consistency in our plays. So I'm essentially done with this. I don't know what to make of anything else in here. We had buying here, red, price push up. The 5 minutes don't work too well on VIX because it gets very choppy. Once I go lower, it looks like crap. Well, this doesn't look like too much crap. Why not? I'll mark that one, but I'm not too keen on wanting to mark those. So go here. Alright, so that's essentially what I'm working with. I am going to put this back to NQ to ES. That what I'm going to do is pull this a chart over. Let me save this idea first, so that way I can make sure that I always have this chart up. I don't think I saved it properly. I'll have to save it again. These are going to be 30 minutes. Save it again. All right. So now we're just looking for any anomalies that stick out. I don't see anything here. We got buying, broke it. We got selling. Maybe this one here might be important for no volume here. So there's nothing there. So that's just an idea of what price might do. We did bounce off of it once and then twice. The ES saw something similar, not directly. Boom. Okay. So that's it. That's all I got. Alright, so I'll be back in the evening. I went over news, didn't I? We didn't have any news. 8:30. Did we even move on the 8:30 news? Nope. Alright, so that's it. Be back in the evening. If I take any trades. We do have a heavy week. A week that's heavy with news. It's 8:30, especially 8:30s. And then we have FOMC on Wednesday, which is major, especially 2 and 2:30. So we'll see what happens. And then yeah. So let's see here. We're on ESZ4 because we rolled over. We got 5629.75 as a area. 5629. So way down here. That's where price actually closed, and then we gapped up. So nothing I can really do. Like I said, I don't really put settlement price on my charts anymore, and because it's just too much information right now. Just the price and the volume has been doing a very good job. Just waiting for it to load. It's a nice movement. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Alright, so we're between ADR levels. Okay, so I'm basically done. So signing off. Be back in the evening for how price worked out. I'm trading my same lot sizes and my same max limit loss, which is $75, and then that's it.